It's Halloween, and there is excitement in the air, and mischief afoot. Jim wears his usual fancy dress outfit, and Wilma hands him his toffee apple lolly and warns him about his dentures. Don't chew your lolly, Jim. Meanwhile, the television is playing up. I wonder why. And Oscar the cat stands guard. Is he the only one who knows they are being watched? The townsfolk are preparing for their party, and everyone will wear fancy dress, including Steve, who has chosen a ghostly outfit. Steve is relaxing in the bubbles in the bath, but not for long. Things will soon get bloody, and he's about to meet some unexpected and not very welcome guests. At the Havisham household, the family, that's Mummy, Daddy, Billy and Molly, are about to go trick-or-treating. The moon is high, the stars are bright, and there is something ghoulish about this night. Is that Billy hiding in the tree? No, there he is, or so we think, standing as a ghostly figure by Molly's side. It's time to go, but wait, what is that flying through the air? Oh dear, that was the witch. I hope the family don't need to light their fire tonight. All roads lead to the town hall, where the party will be held. Word has spread far and wide. Some creatures don't even need to dress up. Have they even been invited? Oh well, let's hope everyone has a tremendously bewitching time. Here's wishing you all happy Halloween. What's your choice? Trick or treat. Ha 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 ha.